What up, what up? I got my professional videographer here with me. Because frankly, I'm out of time, dude. I am out of time. Too much to do.
Oh shoot, you gotta like edit and upload?
Yeah. I got way too much to do. Just got back from the gym. I was at the office until like 6. And see, I need that. I'm all over the place. And so I got a late start, late walk, late workout. I still have to take pictures for the Stella shirts, put them on the website, do all the product things on the back end, like description, get it ready to launch. Thinking Friday, guys. Thinking Friday. If not Friday, Monday. I just gotta make sure I get it all done. Make sure it's good to go. Still gotta read, and it's 8:15. So I'm gonna eat real quick. There's probably not gonna be much to this vlog, I'm letting you know that now. So.
If you guys are questioning why I don't serve my husband when he comes home, it's because of this situation here. There's a measuring situation and math isn't my strongest subject. So that's just gonna have to be. And if you're wondering why there's a bottle of soap in the background, that's where we keep our recycling. Because I ask these questions when I watch videos.
So just took some pictures for the website for Stealth, for the t-shirts. And I'm gonna go upstairs and put this stuff online, get it ready for the back end and all that good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I really like this third. That's
what you get.
These 3 clips here. I got nothing of value. I'm just doing it.
Just throw it in the trash.
Yeah, just throw this vlog in the trash. Wow. Yeah. Really, I'm just doing it because done is better than perfect, man. I'm so thankful for my encouraging wife. Anyway, subscribe. Like this video. And I'll catch you next time.
This is me. As you're talking. I'm crying.
Just throwing the essential oils on the bed. Did you mean to do that?
Yeah, to relax me.
Oh. Okay. Alright, but for real, really busy day. Just had a ton of stuff to do. Got out of the office late, had to do the 75 hard stuff late. Had to take pictures for the website for the shirts. So I did that. That's all done. And now I just gotta edit this and upload the pictures and do all the back end stuff for the shirts so they can release. And yeah, it's not exciting. It's trash. I know this vlog is trash, but if you could just hit that thumbs up, subscribe. I'm laughing as I'm saying that because this vlog was so bad,
I'm
but
just crying away.
Yeah, I appreciate any and all support. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.